Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm sharing 4 tips to help you get your back porch ready for fall.
At the Millionaire House.
One of the reasons I love fall so much is because here in Florida, we finally get to start enjoying some cooler temperatures, which means coming outside and enjoying our backyard. So today I'm sharing some key tips on how to get your back porch ready for fall. Tip number 1 is to start with paint. I like paint because it's a very easy and affordable way to create an instant impact in any space, be it interior or exterior. So today I'm updating our back porch with back porch paint by Valspar, which I found at Lowe's. You can update the color of your front door or give your exterior a freshening up. So you can use different color paint or the same color paint, but it will automatically make a difference. Several of my Instagram friends actually update the paint on their exterior front and back doors every season. So if your HOA doesn't mind, don't be afraid to get creative with the paint colors on your door. It adds a lot of character to your home and can help you get into the mood of the season. Things are already looking better in our backyard, and I'm ready to share tip number 2 with you. For tip number 2, you're going to bring in some planters with your favorite fall plants. For me, that means some beautiful colored mums, but you'll want to pick out something that's going to be hardy in your zone for the entire season. Now moving on to tip number 3, which is to add decorative lighting. Decorative lighting is all about the visual appeal, and you can add it in several different ways. We keep our string lights up all year round, but to add some added fall flair, my friends at Balsam Hill sent me this eucalyptus and pumpkin hanging basket to share with you. I really like it because it comes pre-lit with LED fairy lights, which is another great way to add decorative lighting. And it also offers an array of eucalyptus leaves and white berries and orange pumpkins. So you could use it as a hanging basket, or you could put it in an urn filler, but just to give your back porch a really charming glow. And to spread that decorative lighting out just a little bit more, I added this magnolia tree in an urn, also from Balsam Hill. It's also got pre-lit warm LED lights, and it comes with the remote control. And for tip number 4, bring in your favorite fall accessories. And this is where you'll want to tie in all of your favorite fall colors and decor pieces. The easiest way to do that is with a fall wreath and a fall doormat. And for us, it's a little early in the season to fire up the fire pit, so I am just going to style it with a really pretty table runner that I recently found this season. And I'll finish things off with these beautiful outdoor heirloom pumpkins, also sent to me by my friends at Balsam Hill. You guys asked a lot of questions about these pumpkins during my fall home tour, so I wanted to make sure I gave them a beautiful feature here. This is a very colorful and festive 3-piece set. They come with flat bases so you can display them at different angles. They are Balsam Hill exclusive, so I'll make sure to have these as well as all of the other Balsam Hill products linked in the description box below for you. And now with a fresh coat of paint, some beautiful decorative lighting, and some of my favorite fall accents, we are officially ready for fall in our backyard. Now all we need is just a little bit cooler weather. We can open up those windows and enjoy our football games on Saturday and Sunday. But for now, I'm definitely thankful for those rainy afternoons here in Tampa Bay. And really just for a lovely space to be able to raise our children and to teach them how to enjoy all of the beauty that nature provides right here in their own backyard. As always, I sincerely appreciate your time today. Thank you for watching. Please make sure if you're enjoying these videos to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out. And until next time, I'm wishing you love and peace.